is Oluwasegun. Welcome to Segun Tech Academy. If you have any problem concerning your study, your courses, this will be the right place for you to come to get it sorted out. This will be our first of many videos to come, and today we'll be treating algorithm. So under algorithm, the next thing we're going to take will be how to write an algorithm. It should be our main focus for today. So now, before we go into how to write an algorithm, let us first know what is an algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. So an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem or to complete a specific task. So let us move on to how to write an algorithm. So there are cogent points you need to take note of when you're about to write an algorithm. So let me get started with the first one, which is identifying a problem or your problem. So whenever you're about to write an algorithm, the first thing for you to do is to identify the problem that you are to write an algorithm on. As the definition says, to solve a problem. So that will be our first step in whatever. I will give us an example now so we'll know what we mean by identifying your problem. The next step to take note of when you're writing an algorithm is to check out for your input and output. Do not mix your input and output together. Know what you are taking in and know the result you are about to expect from whatever you are putting into your algorithm. The next step to do after you have taken your input and output is to write your algorithm out step by step so that a layman can see your algorithm and understand that this is what this problem is driving at and this is the solution to take when tackling such problems. It should not be complex, it should be a step-by-step easy procedure that you can use to achieve your aim. So the last step to take when you're writing an algorithm is to run the test. Once you have done your algorithm, you've completed everything needed, run the test to make sure your algorithm actually works. So here is an example of what we'll be talking about so far. Let us take, for instance, an algorithm of a sum of two numbers. Our number should be like A or B because it will be represented by a variable. The first thing to start is when you're writing an algorithm is to put your start. This is our example. So the first thing we put on our algorithm is start. So the next one we input A, which is our first number that we have to sum together. Then number 3, we input B, which is the second number we are adding together. Then number 4, we take a sum of A plus B. That will be the next step. Then the next step is play sum, which is whatever answer we are given by the step that is above. Then the last one, you can end with end or end it with stop. So this is a typical example of how to write an algorithm. It varies depending on the problem you are solving. So if we have any question, you can put it down in the comment section below, and let us also drop our opinion on what video or topic or course that you like us to treat next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.